Today I will teach you the type of network and component role. I mean, on the basis of component, how will you classify the computer networks? On the basis of component role, computer network can be classified as peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Peer-to-peer. What is the meaning of peer-to-peer and what is the meaning of client-server? I am going to explain for you. Let us see first. Peer-to-peer network. Remember, this classification is only on the basis of component role. I mean on the basis of role and responsibility of the computer in the network. Peer-to-peer network. Peer means someone with equal standing. This is the dictionary meaning of word peer. Peer means someone with equal standing. I mean, if there are more than one person, you can understand it by an example as a classroom. Every student has the equal right to access the teacher. Alright? Similarly, in peer-to-peer network, every computer has a equal right. Alright? Peer means someone with equal standing. In this network, each computer of the network acts as a client as well as server. In peer-to-peer network, each computer acts as client and server both. Means every computer serves to other computer and every computer take request information from other computer of the network. The computers that serve on a peer-to-peer computer are often known as non-dedicated servers. Since every computer on the network acts as a server, but these computers are non-dedicated server. I mean, these computer servers are not fixed for a single task, for any specific task. All computers are have equal rights to provide the information, to share the information, to share the resources. Now let us see some basic features of the peer-to-peer network. These networks are popular as a home network and used in small companies. Peer-to-peer networks are mostly used in the small companies treated as a home network. These are inexpensive. These are easy to install, so most popular because it's easy to install, and they are limited in scope. Its scope is limited, and they are difficult to make secure. I mean, informations in the peer-to-peer network are not very secure. All right. So this is the information about the peer-to-peer network. Now let us see the client-server network. Now let us see the client-server network. Client-server network based on the client-server model. In this model, there is some computers that have all over controls of the network, and all other computers of the network take take services from that computer. You can say it is a centralized network. All the data and information of the network is stored on a single place, on a single computer, and that computer is known as a server and gives fulfill the request of other computer, other users of the computer network. Such network in which all the controls of the network is dedicated for a specific computer, for a special computer is known as client server network. That special computer is known as a server and all other computers are known as client. The key point of client server model is that the client depends on the server. It means those nodes that is not responsible, that is not a server, depends on the server, on a special computer of the network. A server is a computer of the network which is dedicated to process the client request. Now here I am pointing some features of the client server network. What is a client? A server, sorry, what is a server? A server is a computer on the network which is dedicated to process client requests. Alright? What is a client? A client can be computer or other electronic device, maybe printer, scanner, other mobile devices on the network that request and utilize the network resources. Now let us take a simple example that you used mostly in your daily life. Websites are stored on the computer and that computer is known as the web server. And the web browser is known as the client which makes a request to the server. People who uses the browser treated as a client because request to take information from someone else. Who provides the information is known as server. Alright. A network can have more than one server for different purpose. So this is a simple introduction about the client server model. Now let us see the difference between the client server network and the peer-to-peer network. Now let us see the difference between client server network and peer-to-peer network. On the basis of 5 parameters, here we try to differentiate the client server network and peer-to-peer network. And these parameters are first security, second management, third dependency, fourth performance, and fifth backups. These are the parameters on the basis of which we will differentiate the client server network and peer-to-peer network. As you know, client server network there is a central computer or main computer that is known as server has overall control of security purpose. Server controls entire security of the network. But in peer-to-peer networking model, there is no dedicated server. Each computer acts as a client and server role, so no central control on the security in the peer-to-peer network. Next point, management. Client server network has a server, has main computer, so in this network, server manages the network. It means all the needs of dedicated team of people to manage the server. However, in peer-to-peer network, no central control over the network. There is no central control. However, in the client server model, main computer has a central control over the network. Third point, dependency. In the client server network, clients are totally, completely depends on the server facility on the server. Since in the peer-to-peer model, there is no client server concept. Each computer acts as a client as well as a server. So clients are not dependent on the server. Alright? Performance. Servers can be upgraded as well as servers are updated. The performance of the overall network increases. Similarly, here to increase the network performance, we need to improve the feature of the individual computer, individual machines. Now let us see the backups. In the client server network, data are backed up on the data are backed up on the central computer or main computer of the network that is known as the server. But in peer-to-peer network, there is no concept of client server, so data are backed up on each computer. Backup of data can be taken on each and every computer of the network. But in the case of client server, data can be backed up only on the single computer that is known as the server. This is the difference between the client server network and peer-to-peer network. Students, you need to remember all these 5 points parameters on the basis of which I differentiate the client server network and peer-to-peer network. So I hope each and everything about the client server network and peer-to-peer network is clear. The internet is based on the client server network based on client server model. I would like to tell you this is a very important question. Internet is which type of network? How can internet is which kind of network? I mean client server network or peer-to-peer network. Then it is very simple. Internet is based on the client server model. I mean it is a client server network. Alright? Generally, most of the networks uses the client server model. I mean comes in the category of client server network. I hope it is clear. In my next video, I will start the third category of the network that is based on the communication channel. A little introduction about the classification of computer network on the basis of a communication channel. Since communication channel is of two types, wired and wireless, similarly network can be of two types under this point of in this point of view, from this point of view, wired network and wireless network. So I will teach you this in the next video. For today it is I am going to finish my class. Thank you.